Recorded now in cloud, so you
Okay.
guys can access it with the URL only. Okay,
Okay, sure. Thanks, Kedar. Thank you so much.
no problem. So, one moment. Say any doubt on whatever we saw yesterday? So yesterday, what we did, right? We concentrated on a string, right? And these are the things we studied. Okay. So yesterday, I took a string. Let's assume. Okay, let me just cut it down. Am I audible?
Yes, Kedar.
Yes, Kedarji.
Yes,
Okay.
Kedar.
Okay. Thank you, guys. So yesterday we took.
You started the recording, right, Kedar?
Yeah, it's getting recorded.
Okay.
Yeah, it's getting recorded. Okay. We took a string. Let's assume we took a string was Kedar. And what we did was like we assigned the memory for this. Here K, here E, D, A, R. Right? So a string supports forward as well as back, backward index, means positive and negative index. Right? So if you look at this will be at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And when you see for negative indexing, so negative indexing starts from end. So this will be at -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Right? After that, what did we see? Like suppose you want to have slicing on this. So slicing is like suppose it is str. It is start index colon and index colon your step. Okay? So you can look for suppose you're typing str 0 colon. Suppose you're giving 5, right? And step 1. So it will take from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will print. So here fifth index is not taken. It will go from 0 to starting index is 0 and index is 5, okay? But 5 is not included. Yeah, because if you're taking 5, it is going out of bound here, out of memory. So this will give you the full string. So it will give Kedar. Second thing we saw.
Everyone, I'm sorry, Kedar, I joined late.
Yeah, Lima. No problem. We are just revising what we did because yesterday's uh, video could not get recorded.
No worries.
So looks like people have not taken notes. Okay, so quickly we can have like 5-10 minutes and cover. Okay,
Yeah.
right? So this is one thing. Right? Suppose if you're writing 0 colon 5, right? And not giving anything here. So by default, here will be taken as 1. Okay. So this will also give the whole string, complete string. Suppose you have missed something, right? Or you're typing like 0:5:. Now you're giving step as 2. So what will happen? Right? It will go from index 0, right? So it will print k. Now you are asking, give me step 2, right? Here was step 1. So after k, what is at the second index? So it will miss this one, right? This will not get printed. So E will be skipped. D will come, right? And after D, A will get skipped, right? And R will come. Clear? So these are the main functionality we saw yesterday. You can play around this in your Google, like Jupyter notebook, but these are the main concepts which we saw yesterday. Right? Then another words, like if suppose you're not giving anything, right? You're giving empty. Here you're not giving anything, right? Right? And giving 1. So basically, start index is nothing, okay? End index is nothing, and step is 1, right? So start is nothing, means start is empty, end is empty. Steps is 1 right now. Right? So what it will go, it will do, it will scale. So Python doesn't know, like if you're not giving anything, it will take uh, index 0 as a start. Okay, so it is taking k. Okay, end index also not specified here. So it will take the complete string, whatever string is there. So end will be taken as the end of the string. It will take R as end of the string, right? And start printing 1 characters, 1 steps. So first it will take k, then it will take 1 step D, E, then 1 step D, then A, then R. So this and right, these are mostly being asked in interview questions. Okay? These are very straightforward interview questions, guys. I have attended few interviews and people used to ask me, suppose you have a string hello or Python, right? How will you extract things like that? Okay. Suppose you are writing same here. Now you are writing this string colon. Suppose you're writing string 3. What will happen now? So they will give you a string, right? Python, and tell that print HOM. So how will you print? They'll say that, okay, let you have a string given as A or str. Right? Str is having string Python. Right? Your task is write a program or write a small one-liner code, okay, which will print HOM. So just tell them that I will write like this. So the output will be this is 0th index, 1, 2, 3, 3 to n. Nothing is given. So it will take 3 as the start index and print everything. So after 3, what is coming? Means H O N. Will print. Any doubt here? Team.
Okay, you're good.
Okay? So this was like positive index. Now we also have negative index. So same string, I'm taking Kedar. Okay? So this is zeroth index, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now negative index, always negative index means Python is also allowing us to traverse backward. Okay. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Right? Suppose you want to print something like the other way around from reverse order. Suppose you want to reverse this string. So what will you do? Right? Just give like this. Leave starting index, right? Leave end index, right? And give -1. Okay? So Python will now you're telling Python that I want a part of a string, right? And you have to traverse backward, taking one step at a time. So it will start. You have not given start. Right? Start is empty, end is empty, but it knows I have to go one step minus. Right? So suppose if it starts from 0, right? Where will minus it will go? This side. So Python has a functionality, okay, for data science engineers that you guys can traverse forward and backward. Okay. Now it will consider start as this will be start. Okay. We have not specified anything. So start will be this one, end will be here, and it will traverse one step minus, then one step minus, then one step. Okay. So this will give, first it will give R, then one step minus A, then D, then E and K. Okay. Suppose if you want to, any doubt here? So basically, if you are giving colon, -1, it will give you a string in reverse order. Okay. Reverse string. If you're asking Python, okay, give me from, you have given start -2 till -5, right? And given -1. So it will start from here. It will go until here. Right? And steps are -1. So it will print, this will give A, then 1 minus D, then E, then K. Okay.
Hello, Kedar.
Yeah.
A will come in this place or what is question?
Yeah, A will come from this place.
DEK only will come, right? I just put it in the group. I just queried it and I can see One is missing.
One might miss.
Just WhatsApp in the group.
Okay.
Okay. So last K is dead.
Yeah.
No
Yes.
meter.
Yes. Yes. So give me a minute. What about the first one? First one is correct or not?
Which one is that?
Sometimes Python. So you have given colon -1, right?
Yeah, that is reversible.
What it is?
Bracket. Angular bracket you need to close.
Right. So we'll correct it here. So it goes from here. Start is correct. Right? It will not take -5. Right? It will miss -5. The way forward slicing was happening, it's 5 will not be considered. Okay? So it will be like, give me a minute, please.
Yesterday you said about the ometer that will be applied here, right, Kedar?
Yeah,
When
ometer is being applied. So basically what I'm saying, right? Let's assume it is Kedar, no? String. So suppose you are starting from this index, right? If you want to go till here, this is your start, this is your end, right? And you want to go one step minus. So basically, this is -1, this is -2, right? This is -3, -4, -5. So yeah, so this it is taking start and index, but end will not be counted. Okay? This end will not be counted. So it will give you from -2 to -4. Okay? And the output will be A, D, E. Let us do a couple of programs that will be clear now. What should we print? Let's assume I'm printing -1, right, to -3. Okay? So this is -1, -2, -3. Right? So ideally it should be printing R and A.
colon should be
No, no. It should also work.
But just a lot of questions. So in Juniper, we don't have any debugger mode.
Yeah, we have, but it is complex. So now what is happening? Yesterday we discussed. Suppose you want to print suppose your string is s equal to Satya. Right? And you want to print -1, -2, -3. Okay? You're giving here a of -1 colon -3. And if you have not given here anything, so it will print empty. Why? Because now we have only given like start index like -1, right? And end index as 3, -3, right? So it will start from here. And it will go until here, right? One means start and end are defined, right? But we did not tell Python that you have to go backward. So it will go by default. What will happen here? Right? It will go in forward direction only. Right? So after,
whenever we are using negative, I think we need to set up the
yeah, the last
uh,
step is
last step.
mandatory. Right? This
mandate.
step,
Yes, sir.
otherwise it will not give any string.
Yeah.
Right? If you're not giving anything, it will give you empty string. Right?
This meeting is being recorded.
It was already getting recorded, right? Who recorded again? It is being recorded, guys. Don't worry.
Kedarji,
Hmm.
can we try one more such kind of story in the
Yeah.
Jupyter? So have
Tell me.
A equal to Satya.
It's Satya.
Okay. B equal to Satya MBBS or something you can give it.
Satya.
MB, don't give MBBS. Okay, something. Just wanting.
Okay.
Okay. And to print A -5 -1 colon -5.
-5.
Okay.
-5. Okay.
Yeah. Minus. Sorry. Hyphen -1
Uh-huh.
and blank. Okay. So what will happen? We can predict it.
So this is -1, right?
Yeah. -5 and -1, and we last one we kept it blank.
Yes.
So
So it should not print anything.
should be
Yesterday, I think we tried that, Kedar, bro. It said
Okay.
cave.
return
Yes.
idea. -1.
1 minute. 1 minute.
It gave an output.
4, 5. So we can avoid the gap and fill it with a letter. The last one, S, also there is a gap.
Okay. Then what was the problem here?
No, I can see the -5 is getting skipped.
Yeah, -5 is getting skipped. But what was happening here
1,
in this system?
3, 4, 5.
So is it like Jupyter Notebook behaving a little weird?
Yeah, B.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So
We need to print
no, no,
A.
no.
Now you're
Yeah.
you're
Now
still having
it will
A
not
here.
give anything.
No,
Correct?
no, bro. I think you are still printing A, but the value is B. Here, print A.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It won't give. So Nisil,
Oh,
it's correct only.
3, 4, 5.
So this is correct only. But
Okay.
here, what are you doing is,
Mhm.
let's say you took Satya MBBS. Right?
Okay.
You have taken Satya space MBBS. Right?
No
And
need.
you,
Yeah. Tell me.
okay, anything. Let's assume I'm not taking MBBS.
Okay.
So take together only. No
Yeah,
problem.
together MBBS. Then it is easier to understand.
Satya MBBS.
Okay.
And you're
1, 2,
asking
3, 4, 5, 6,
Python to
8, 9.
give -5
Yeah, colon -1
color nothing.
and blank. So in
So
this case,
yeah, so let me just draw for you guys.
okay.
This concept should be very clear. Otherwise,
Yeah.
we will not understand when we are in the big data set, right?
I was trying this Gemini and I can see different answer.
Yes. Yeah. Let us understand it very
Okay.
slowly. -1,
Mm.
-2, -3, -4, -5. Right? You are asking Python to print
From -5
-5 to
till
-1.
starting. Yeah. So
Right?
which one they will omit? S or A?
Yeah. So what was the answer for us when we typed here?
think
Let
it
me
will
save it. Is 10th May.
Satya MBBS into -5 -1.
think it will omit yes only. Yeah.
So you are asking Python to go from -5 to here. So this is your start and this is your end, right? But you have not given it instruction to move negative. Right? You have not given instruction to give backward. So what it does is only index is defined. See, this -5 is similar to this index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah, forward
5,
and
6, 7. So it is basically you are giving it instruction to print 5 is how much? -5 is 4.
A. Forward.
And -1 is 8 here, correct?
Yeah.
Right? And you have not given any instruction here. So basically it will go from 4 to 8 and 8 will not be printed. Right? So 4 is how much? A, then M, then B, then B.
Okay. Got it.
So we need to see like whether a string is starting in the mid or a string is starting point is before end point, then it will print empty. Right? Because if you're not giving here instruction to go back, Python always will go from here to this side. Okay, going forward direction. So that's what I'm saying, that like this parameter, right? If you really want to go backward, you have to tell Python that what step it has to go. Right? You have to give -1 here. Otherwise, string will be printed only in the forward direction. Clear, Nisit? Or you have still doubt?
Yeah, got it. I got a different answer from the different side.
Yeah. So maybe the tokens or the index which we are taking, right? You can play around, but the logic is like that.
Okay.
Always start index and end index it will take, right? But end index is omitted. Okay. And if you really want to print it, you have to give start, end, right? And you have to also provide here -1. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose if you want to print here from here S, right? Then B. Right? So you want to print here this one, then A, then T. Right?
2, you can give -2, right?
Yeah. So can you just let me know like what is the index, guys?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7.
No, we want to print backward.
Yeah.
So this will be -2, correct? Here see, B is -2.
So
Oh, okay, sorry.
no,
We are printing -1
yeah,
also, right?
yeah. At the end, you can give -1, right?
1 minute. Yeah.
-2, -7, right?
So you're taking,
T. So
no, you want to print S also. Right? S is nothing but end, or in backward it is start.
okay.
The starting index is -1.
Yeah.
Then you want to go until
7. -7.
so -7. Right? And now your task is to print
-2.
2, right? So it is -2.
Yeah.
Then Python will print it backward. Right? Now it will take S, then this will be omitted. B will come. Then M will be omitted. A will come. Means it is jumping one character, guys.
See, we are giving the last -2 already, so that's instead that go reverse.
Yeah. So reverse and 2 step at a time. Right?
Yeah, that's clear. But we are giving the end and start number ulta.
Hmm.
So
Nisil, if you're not giving this right, what happens is it will go in the forward direction.
see, starting value is -1, so it will take S.
Yeah. This is start.
Okay,
Now it
ending
has
with
to go
-7, you
in
say.
the, but here it has to go in a negative direction, but it's skipping 1 1. If you give -1 here, it will print everything.
Yeah, yeah. -2 means it's skip in between.
Yeah. So print every second character.
Start and end character we need to give this same way, or
Yeah. Let us do no.
okay.
So I'm suppose print
B.
B of you are giving this. Right. You are giving -1 to
-7.
-7. Okay?
-2.
And -1. Let's go -1. Okay? What will happen? So it is giving SBBM AY. Right?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So basically, what is happening here? This character, right? -7 is being omitted.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now, you're planning to print -2.
Yeah.
So still it will print in my negative direction, right? Reverse direction.
Correct.
But it will take first character, then third, then
Correct.
fifth, then seventh. But seventh will not be printed.
All right.
Okay. So it printed S, then this is not printed. B, then M is not printed. A, right? And it will not take ending index. Okay. This 7 will not be taken.
All right. Got it.
If anyone has any
Bro,
doubt, please clarify.
yes,
yeah.
yes, bro. Kind of understood, but again, I'm getting into the loop of misunderstanding. So,
Tell
see,
me.
going to this -5 and -1 colon nothing, which means we have not given any negative value, which are not saying the Python say we have to print from last.
Correct.
So it starts to pick up from the first, like say if it is 5 -5, it's 4. Then it's like what?
3.
4, 5, 6, and 8, correct? Which
No,
is
no.
inclusive of yes.
No.
But you're
It will
saying that it will skip that 8. Same, yeah, going back to that
no,
scenario.
Lima.
Okay.
It is like Satya, right? Satya MBBS. So if you draw it very carefully, this is your positive index, right? Negative index
Yeah.
is from this side, right? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -7, -9. Yeah, tell me now. This is A.
Mm.
So suppose if you're taking this is step, right? -5, 2, -1, right? And you have not given anything here.
Yeah.
So if this is empty, right? If step is empty, the Python doesn't know key. It has to print your string reverse, right?
Yeah.
So what basically it is doing? So this is your starting index, right? This is your end index, right? So this is start, A is start, end is here, right?
Right.
So it will try to print here to here, but in forward direction, because you have not mentioned -1 here. You have not
Yes.
given minus, right? So it will print -5, it will not go this side, okay? -5,
So it's
-4,
4.
-3, yeah. Okay? So -5, -4, -3, -2, it will print, and it will omit this. Last index is always omitted. -1 will not be printed, so it will give -4. Then it is going forward direction, right? Getting my
Okay.
point? Why it is going in
Getting
forward
your
direction? Because it is taking that this is one step. If I'm not mentioned here, Python by default takes it as 1. So 1 means it has to go right side, correct?
Okay.
Yes.
But usually, if it is a positive one, say if
Uh.
it is not -5 or -1, right? Let's
Uh.
go with the forward one. A colon. Yeah. So let's say, yeah, from even 4, right? Yeah. A starting from 4
Okay.
and ending is say 8.
And
Will
you're
the
not
output
yes,
are not
so,
given the last skip? Yeah.
so it will give you index 4, 5,
Mhm.
6, and 7. 8 will be omitted. Okay. Same way.
Okay, same. Can we just try that in the
Yeah, we can try.
last index will be omitted? Because all I understood was if you're not giving anything at the last, the skip level is by default is 1, right?
Yes.
In that case, it should print everything, is what I was thinking.
No. So, but you have defined the start and index. And -4 to minus. What was our -5 to -1, right?
Hmm. Top one. I think the 14th one is what we are executing now.
Okay.
1/4.
And you're not giving any.
Hmm.
So you have not given anything in the step. So step will be taken as 1.
Okay.
So start is -5, end is -1. So it will move right side.
Hmm.
See A M B.
Hmm.
So it is giving A M B B, and 8th one is omitted. A M B B, S will not be considered because -1 will not be considered. Last index from end is always omitted.
Kedar, I just want to add one point here. Can I?
Yeah, please.
So just a simple max here. So -1. So the last index is, if you're not specifying, it takes 1, right?
Yes.
So -5 and 1 is -4. That's it. So if
Yes.
-1 comes, -1 1 is 0. So it is not printing. That's the calculation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Schematically, what did you say?
No, the calculation I'm saying, see, they're getting confused, right? Because as it is taking the last end is 1, so -5, 1 is -4, so that it is printing -4, -3, -2.
Correct.
So -1 comes, it's 0, so it is not printing it. That's it.
Lima, don't get confused with -1 and -1. -5 and -1 is like similar, right?
And I get it. No, what my base of a question is, when we are not giving anything, it is the skip level is by default is 1. So
Correct.
when we are
Plus
saying
1.
4 to plus
Yeah.
1, yes, it's a positive one. So
Correct.
4 to 8, to me, it should actually take from 4 to 8 till the end of it. Why it is skipping?
No. Always it doesn't print the last one, right? Python is designed in that way. Because I'll tell you, index is starting from 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So if you're taking 0 to 7, right? And if you're giving here 1, right? So always this will not be printed, Lima, whether it is positive or negative. It is 7 minus.
I see.
Okay. So yesterday also we discussed that please keep in mind, like.
Yeah, I think I missed to understand that part. Okay,
it's not a problem. Python always takes 1 less.
Okay.
I hope it is clear, guys.
Yes, Kedar.
Yeah.
Who else? Devananda, are you fine? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we saw some if else loop, right? If anyone has any doubt.
No, Kedar.
Krishna, should I cover again? We'll be doing some programs today, so it will cover. Okay, so let us do few programs, guys. Okay? I'm giving it from multiple companies which I attended. I will be providing this Jupyter Notebook link also, so that it will be easier for Hey, Sendil is asking to send a meeting link. Can you guys give him?
Let me join the call.
I
Oh,
joined the
he's in
call.
the-
Kedar. No issues. In the name of commitment.
sorry. I so I
No, no, no
rarely see.
issues.
Yeah, I
No
rarely
issues.
see my messages and all.
Okay, okay, okay. No, no issues.
Give me a minute. So the question is, right? Suppose your string is, right? These are most frequently asked questions, guys. Very small question, but it is twisted one, right? Interviewer asks, right? Write a program to reverse a string. Yeah? Write a program to reverse a string. Now he has mentioned without using inbuilt function and slicing, without reverse function, okay, and no slicing. Okay. So now we know, right? Agar if he's not asking us reverse a string, what will be our first one? First approach will be like just keep colon okay, and -1. It will print. But they have mentioned this condition that you don't need to use any of these questions, right? So it is very easy in Java and is it easier, even easier in Python, right? But we have to think. We have to think like how to do. So let us build that thinking logic here. Can someone give me an idea, guys? I'll do with my logic. But if you can think, so first idea is we have to use for loop. Yeah. What else? Okay. So let me give you an idea. Yeah. So this program looks very simple. But when we are sitting in interview room and this question is coming up, then we will not be able to solve it. Initially, I was struggling. Yeah. So I thought of I'll tell you guys. This is a string S. Now I need to run a for loop. Right? So that for loop will be something like that. So we have taken a string is equal to Python. Now for take any character or any, you can take any variable here. Okay? I'm taking a character ch in S. Then colon, give one tab here. So we are going inside for loop. Now what we have to do is take another variable result. Okay? And this will be a string. So we have to, so see, one string is Python, they have already given. Okay? I'm taking another string. So right now it is not a string, right? And assign this double quotes here. So this will become a string. Now we need to do this. I'll tell you how it is coming. Okay? Result equal to So this CH will have everything. For CH it S. So this will hold PYTHON. But first time it will give, in first iteration, it will give P. So now I have to append it in such a way that this P will go in the end. This P should come after this blank. Okay. So I will type it here, CH plus result. I'll explain. Let us trace it. Okay. This is a one line code, and just you'll just print result. So this print should be coming in same level at 4. Okay. Print result. We'll do it in editor as well, but let us understand first. So now S has PYTHON. So first time for CH in S. So everything from here will go. So iteration. Result and then CH. In first iteration, we'll write the values here. Okay. Iteration 1, CH, and so in first iteration, when first time loop is running, result is having null. And for CH in S means first time P will come here in first iteration. And result equal to CH plus result. This means what? First time CH is having P plus null. This will have P. So now earlier result was having empty. Now after first iteration, it will have result will have P. Okay. Okay. Now next iteration. Okay. In second iteration, now CH will have, so P is already taken. P got printed here as well. In second iteration, CH will have Y. So CH will have Y. Okay. And here, right now it is having P. Let me just erase it. Okay. So now result is having P already. Result is having P. Right? And here,
Right.
in next iteration, it is coming Y. Right? So it is string concatenation. Right? So now this result will have how much?
YP.
YP. Right? Now in third iteration, now Y is taken. Now this CH will have T. Now let me erase it. So already it is having, now result is having YP. Right? And so until here is printed. This will have T. So T plus Yp will have what? Typ. Right? So this will get concatenated. Typ. Okay? Clear? Anybody has any doubt so far?
Okay.
No, Kedar.
So in fourth iteration, so this is index 0. Oh, sorry guys. 0, 2. So until here we have done. In fourth iteration, this CH will have H, right? And result is already having TYP. So H plus TYP will be H is coming here. So H is coming here. So H plus TYP will be in the result HTYP. Now result has HTYP. So in next iteration, what will happen? O will come. CH will have O. CH is having O and result is having H. Right? Now when it gets concatenated, it will be O H TYP. So it will be O H TYP. And in last iteration, CH will have N. CH is having N. Is already having OHTYP. Right? So now CH has N. Right? So N plus OHTYP. Right? So what is coming there? Let me just increase it. This will have N NO H TYP. Any doubt? This is one line of code, but lot of inherent logic. Team, are you able to follow?
Yes, Kedar.
So this is how you have to write, and whenever they ask it, give the explanation, trace it and give. Okay. So you should be very clear what will happen. Okay? Suppose if you are writing result plus CH, right? So it will become ulta. I mean, it will print the string in forward direction. So Python will only be printed, not reverse of this. So we are going to hope it is visible. The very basic question, guys. But if you're attending 5 or 10 interview, right, 80% times it comes. So this is the question. Yeah. So take a string, take it from user. What will be right from user input? Devananda,
Input.
Prabhu, wait.
Okay.
Devananda or Satish, anyone guys who joined yesterday? So take input from user. Okay? Here you can write anything. Enter the string. Okay. Now I am writing a for loop. Okay. So for you can take any variable. I'm taking ch because it will hold a character. So your variable should be meaningful. Okay? For character in ch in s, or you can also write str of length. Yeah, that means range of. Let us do both. S. Then it is a bracket here. I mean tab here. Okay? Now I'm taking a string result, or you can say press. Okay? Assign empty here. Okay? What will you do? Res equal to, what did we write? Res plus char or ch plus res?
CH plus.
Plus.
Yeah. Right. Now just print it. Let us run. See if it is working out. I'm just giving.
Kedar, for ch in string, right? String or yes, we need to.
No. str. Sorry. str. Okay. It will give some error. It reversed, right? Hello. OLLEH. OLLH. You guys understood or not? Okay. Even they give you to write in Notepad or any code, any editor, you should be able to write it. Clear? If anyone has not understood, tell me. I'll repeat. These questions where I'm giving you some emphasis, some stress, they are interview questions, or maybe in your college also it comes. Okay. Are you guys with me, guys?
Yes, Kedar.
Yes, Kedar.
Okay. Yeah. Give me a minute. Someone is on door. आ रहे हैं एक मिनट. Sorry guys, I had to open door. Okay. So no doubt, right? We'll do many such programs as an assignment and after this class. But before that, let's do some most frequently used string methods. Right? So there are small methods, but they are quite useful when you do programming. Okay? So one is like, suppose there is any string, right? And if you want to convert that string into uppercase, so for that Python has a function called upper. You should be knowing how to use it. Suppose string s equal to Python. And if you're writing s dot upper, s dot upper. So it will give you all the string in capital letter. We'll do small programs once we complete theory. Then it is lower. Another one is lower function. See, s dot lower means string name. You have to, whatever the string you have declared, that dot lower. So if any character is capital here, everything will be written in lower. Okay? Then third one is let's assume my string is I'll say capitalize. Capitalize method. So once you're doing s dot capitalize, what basically it will do, it will do the, suppose string has like, string is having a collection of words. Suppose you have written Python program. So this will give, what it will give is only the first word will be capitalized. First word, or you can say first character of a string is capitalized. So this P will be capitalized. Okay? And you will get rest will be small only. So only the starting character, starting letter or first word is capitalized. Okay? And dot dot dot. Everything clear? Any doubt?
Okay, then.
So these are small functions, but we should know like how many functions we know from strings. They'll tell that just talk about Python, it functions. So you should be aware of what and all functions are there and what it does. Suppose I've taken s equal to hello world, right? All is small. All are small guys. and we need to print starting of every word in capital. Hello world. Maybe there are 100 words or whatever. So starting character of each word needs to be capitalized. For that, the function is title. So starting character of each word will be capitalized. This title method. You should write s dot title. So this will give input at h will become capital, hello, and then w will capitalize. Okay. Sometimes we have to print number, strings in the zigzag order. Like, suppose string is Python. And let's assume if you are going to print this as small, this as capital, small capital, small capital, small capital, right? So each alternate character will be kind of capitalized. So for that we have a method called swap case. So this is, you are writing s dot swap case. What will happen is it will be giving output like p will be small, then y will be capitalized, t will be small, h will be capitalized, o will be small, n will be capitalized. Sometimes the interview questions come from this. These are very famous interview questions. They'll give you a string and give that, okay, print it like this. Okay. We have a for loop as well for that, but we should know both. Okay. Sixth one is most used, which is find method.
Here, for the swap case, the first letter will be capitalized or it will be in the.
We'll see.
Okay.
We'll be doing. Let us do. What did we cover? So upper, lower, capitalized, title, and swap case. Right? Stop. Swap case. Everything is swapping. Okay. Sorry guys, I have to look into this thing. What basically happening is like if small letter is there, then that will be swapped with capital. Let me try with caps. Yeah, okay. So explanation will change. S dot swap case we'll change it. Suppose now it is in small, right? So it will become caps. P is in a small letter, so P will be capitalized. Y is in a small, then Y will be capitalized. T is small, T will be capitalized. H will be capitalized, O will be capitalized, N will be capitalized. Suppose you have written A equal to C, D, then E, F, then G, and H. So see, these two are capital, so it will become small, C and D. This swapping means if it is in lower case, swap it to uppercase. If it is in uppercase, swap it to lowercase. E is in small, so it will go to capital. F is in small, it will go to capital. G is in caps, so it will go in. H is in small, so it will go to. So swap case basically will convert a small letter to capital letter and capital letter to small letter. Clear?
Yes.
Let's do upper lower capitalized title as well, right? Let's say I'm taking equal to Python. You guys also have to practice, otherwise you will forget like I'm doing practicing much. See, equivalent methods are there in Java as well, but the Java will be like uppercase, to uppercase, something like that. Python has very easy naming conventions. Okay. So I took all small letters, it has converted into capital. So suppose you have taken all capital. So caps is not touched. So here,
S you have given. It's A.
okay, okay. Yeah. Suppose you want to convert everything lower. Done. So everything will get converted into lower. These were upper, now they got converted into lower. So let's assume a new string, maybe D equal to hello world. And we will get print D dot capitalize. So capitalize does only one time capitalization. Okay. The first character of the first word, or the you can say that the starting word, starting letter of the string will be capitalized. Okay. So this H is becoming capital H. Okay. And rest are this W is still in small format. But suppose you're doing title, right? You want to convert each character into capital. That time you'll just use title. So title is like name, guys. Okay? So any person name is always written in first letter will be written in capital. Okay? So you're saying here, so H is getting converted into capital H, and small w is getting converted into the capital W. Okay? Easy, right? For you guys.
Yes, Kedar.
Hmm? So now we have little advanced level functions, like how will you find index and all. So we'll go with that. It's very important because when we go for programming as well as when we do data cleanup and all, these things will be used. Okay. So I'm going with index. So suppose if you're writing s dot index, then you have to pass the character here in single quote. Suppose you're going to find the index of P or Y. Okay? So just pass that character here. P. So this will return the index. And strings are starting from index 0. So this will give us index 0. The same. Right? O. Okay? Can someone tell me what it will return? From this string.
4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
So this will return 4.
2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, Python.
Yeah, got it.
So this is 0, this is 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I hope these things are easy, guys, and we can proceed further. Okay. The next is find. Find method. I'll tell you what it does. S dot, if you're writing find, and here you're passing that character. You're searching find. What it will return? It will return. This will also give index 2, but there is one difference. See, T is in second place, right? Second index. It is giving us 2. Right? And S dot index we are writing T. This is also giving us 2. But if it is not found, suppose T is not here, So we are searching s dot index, searching something which is not here. Suppose I'm searching character A. So this index returns some different value, but find returns -1. In the same string, if you'll see what it returns. Find A. So this will give us -1 because it is not finding. Python is here. Python. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If something is not found, this find method will return -1. -1 is somewhere here, outside of this area, this memory. So if not found, if item is not found, or that character is not found, then return -1. But index will return something else. We'll see what it gives. Okay. Don't remember much. So I'm taking a string E as Python. Yeah. Print E dot. Let us do first find normal. Single quotes. I'm typing T. So T is in the second place. Its index is, it's returning T. 2, right? So first we'll see the positive cases, then we'll see negative cases. Now I'm going what? Index. Index of T is 2. So no doubt here. Okay? Suppose I'm trying to find something which is not there. Suppose A. Okay? So find returns -1. This is what we wrote. If the item is not found, you will get -1. Same thing. Okay? If I is not found and we are using index, what will come? Error. Okay? It will say substring is not found. Getting the difference? If something is not found, right, what it will do? It will show error here. Index will give error. If item not found. Clear, team? You can play around. We have to do hands-on, guys. Then we have a count method. Eighth is count method. Count. Suppose if you want to count something from Python string itself, s dot count. If you want to count, suppose your string is s equal to banana now. and you want to count A. How many times A is coming, it will return. So how many times A is here? First, second, third. So this will give 3. Okay.
Bro, it will
Not
still
given
for the case sensitivity. Say if it's like uppercase, lower matched, so we'll still find it.
No. So Python is case sensitive now. So it won't find if you're giving s dot count A here, capital A. It will give 0 or empty. Because A is not here. It is only counting how many times it is coming. So it will find nothing, right? We'll see what is coming. But
Is it
Python,
speak to count the whole string, the like length of the string? Can this be used?
yes, it will be used. So let's assume your string f is banana, right? So it counts everything in a string. You don't need to do for loop or something. We'll see. F dot count. Suppose you are counting A, how many times A is coming? It is giving 3. So I am writing something, right? T. Now just count T. So it is taking the entire string. No need of traversing through any for loop or while loop. That's the reason Python is very easy, guys. For bigger data set, bigger strings and files, right? Even one single line of code will work. Clear?
Yes, Steven.
So we are now, as per Lima, I'm just telling. So now A is not there, Lima, right?
Yeah.
So it will return 0. It's not occurring here. So this is also one interview questions, which appears quite often.
Bro, whatever you're teaching is the interview question only, bro.
No. So the problem is like they will start from basic, right? And we all know that people are good in Java, C, C++, but Python, unless and until you have worked, or maybe you have a good mentor, or you remember all these functions, right? Remembering all these things is very difficult. So what basically people do, as and when they use, and what are the most frequently used Python functions, right? They will tell to check whether you're familiar or not. Because many people go with complete preparation of coding around and all, but they will try to judge you. They'll see that whether you are aware of these things or not. Because these are the methods, Lima, which is used quite often inside the because I do coding, right? So I see. So I'm not teaching everything. Whatever is required for data science, I'm using that only. Okay? There are many. I hope it is clear. That's the reason you have to take notes, even though it is you are understanding it. It is very easy, guys, to forget. Okay, and you have to practice in your Jupyter notebook. Not every day. Maybe every alternate day. If something somewhere you have doubt, right? You just go ahead and write small programs. and this should continue until you are getting placed. Now, if not further questions, can I proceed further?
Yes.
Suppose you have a string s equal to 1. I love Java. And you want to change some of the word into different words. So programmatically you can do, but Python allows direct also. So in place of Java, you want to write Python. This should be replaced with Python. So for that we have a replace function. And it takes 2 arguments. You want to know original string and what is your target, or you can say it is new string. So what we have to do here?
Kedaji, your voice is very less, not audible.
Oh, it's very less. Now it is okay.
Now it's okay. Good.
Okay. But energy needed. Yeah. So basically, I love Java is there. You want to print I love Python, right? So we have to replace this Java with Python here. So for that you will be writing s.replace place Java with Python. Okay. The next one is 10th. This is very important, guys. Okay. Split method.
Kedar, I have a question.
Yeah. Krishna.
So replace function. So you told now Java is also a string, Python is also a string. So can we interchange with integer as well? Is different data types works for replace, or it's only a string?
We'll do that.
Okay.
So it takes 2 strings. That's what I'm sure. But let's see whether it takes integer or not.
Yeah, I just
Let's see what is happening. So try with Java first. Java to Python. Okay, so I cannot take, so it is G, new string G. Let's try with something else. So you're telling here this with number, or
yeah, anything, any other data type other than string.
okay. I think ideally it should not do. Let's see. Yeah,
Okay.
it requires 2 strings.
Strings. Okay. So replace method works only for string.
Yeah, you can do here. You can just type.
But we have to declare. I like. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see.
Yes. Maybe you can typecast with this. You cannot typecast like that. You have to give like this.
Yeah. Can you
Then
try
it,
it?
yeah,
Yeah.
I love to.
So it's
But
like
this 2 is also a string, because it
string.
is
Yeah.
yeah, it is written in a double quotes.
Double quotes.
Hmm.
Got it.
So replace method never works with any other type other than
String.
string. And what did we see? Split, right? Split will break. So basically, I'll give an example, then I'll explain. Okay. So suppose my string S is having apple, banana, and this is a string actually. Okay. And mango. Or you can also write I am going to Bangalore. Okay? So these are words, word 1, word 2, word 3, right? So when you apply S dot split method, right? S dot split, what it does is, right, it will break them into single words from space. If you're not giving anything, it will take as space. So after it internally, it will treat it like this. So here is space is there. Okay. So wherever it finds a space, from there it will break. Okay? And it will give you an array. In Python, array is not there. So you can say s dot split, okay, gives us a list of words from string. So it will give you now banana, then it will give not banana, wait, it will give apple and all strings. Okay, first apple, then comma. So basically it is giving you an list of these three fruits: apple, banana, right, and then mango. Mango.
Sir, in which situations we'll be using the split?
Yeah, so it will suppose there are so many words, right? If you from paragraph, right? If you want to calculate the name of people, right? So I am going to Bangalore. My name is Hitesh, something like you have written, right? In case you want to search Hitesh, right? Then definitely you have to first slice them into different words, the entire sentence, and then you have to figure out whether this S is containing Hitesh, right? If it's containing, then print that word.
Okay.
And in real world, it is used in many places. Suppose you are doing shopping, right, in shopping.com. So what items you are buying, right? Who is purchasing, from where he logged in. So all those things will be captured in a JSON response. Right? From that JSON response, if you want to extract something, so what will do first? That response is a collection of string, right? So from that string, you will be getting the words. From those words, you will be finding first name, last name, his address. So all those um, what do you call online shopping dot com, Swiggy, and everything uses a split functionality a lot. So means deriving something meaningful out of a sentence. Clear, Uma?
Yes, Kedar, got it.
Okay. So let's do replace. We have seen, right? H. Apple. Banana. Something. Mango. Grapes. H dot split. Got it? So each word got converted into a list. Right? And now if you want to perform some operations here, like you calculated apple, right? This list will be assigned to some other variable, right? And from there you can find the index also, right? Let's do that. Suppose I'm writing a variable fruits array, right? And here you are giving assigning h dot split, right? And you are running a for loop for f, right? Anything, right? From for name in fruits. Type print name. Name fruits will
Kedar,
not.
fruits spelling. You have declared fruits and what you have written.
Sure. Okay. So see. So what I did is we had a string, right? From a string we converted that into list, right? That list is being assigned into one variable fruits, and from there you are iterating, right? Suppose if you want to give some meaningful logic in this program, you can do this. Right? Otherwise, if split methods are not there, right, you have to use like backslash, forward slash, and wherever like something is not available, you will not get the names and all. Right? So here, right, I'm going to Bangalore. My name is something like that. If you want to extract Kedar here, right? I have Nisil with me, something like that. Right? So this is a meaningful sentence. Now you want to extract Kedar, Nishil and all, right? So what you have to do first, you have to convert them into words, list of words, and from there with index you can find out these names, or you can do apply some other logics. Maybe you can send this data into a list, or you can send this data into, we'll learn them. Right? We can send directly this data into a set or into a dictionary and do some manipulation on that. Let's run it. What happens? See, so all the words are there with you. So these are practical use cases, guys. So far, whatever we did, right? You guys understood everything. I think today video will go. So please watch that one. Okay. Any doubts so far, team?
No, Kedar.
No, right?
No, Kedar.
Give me a minute. I'm just so today, what did we do? So we learned one program, which was like reverse a string, right? And what did we do? So all these string programs and all, we have revised previous yesterday's things. Okay. Now I will move into some of the programs. So let's assume I'm thinking there are many programs. What should we go with so that it will build your logic in Python? Suppose I have taken a variable a, and now I'm not taking a string. Okay, I'm taking a number. Number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And we have to print the reverse of this, because in exam they ask, in interviews they ask, write a Python code, okay, to reverse a number. Right? This is first question. Second one, it comes, right, to check whether this number is a palindrome or not. Right? So this logic will help you in reversing a number as well as finding, right? Write a program to check reverse like number palindrome. There are many tricky questions also. We'll do it maybe if time permits. Otherwise, those will go for assignments. Okay, and we'll solve it together. Or next week we'll do. Okay. So let us assume I have a number called A. Right? You are taking input from user. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? The program starts here now. Okay. Now, since we are going to store this number somewhere, right? We are going to find 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? 4, 3, 2, 1. So we'll take another variable. Right? Maybe that is reverse, rev is equal to 0. Yeah. Initially, it will not have anything. So we have just declared it. Now, what we will do? So how the number system is formed, right? How do we write 12 in number? In number system, we write 10 into 1 plus 2. Right? Clear? This is how we write.
Yes, clear.
So here 2 is digit, last digit, right? And this 10, it's something like, I can say it is a divisor or something, right? I'll give you the logic right now. Okay. So can we use for loop here? Will it work? Suppose if you're getting for loop, so getting these numbers one by one will not help, right? Because we are not going to do a negative. This is not a string, right? So that logic won't work.
While loop with terminating condition.
Yeah. So while loop with terminating condition. So while your a is greater than 0, okay? Keep a tab space here. Now you take digit. We need digit, right? So how it okay, let me write the logic this side so that it will be easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, right? Number is suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A. So first I need to extract 4. Right? How will I extract 4? Right? If I am giving A modulus, right, 10. Right? So what is the remainder here? Right?
34.
No, it is divisible by that. See.
4 can.
Yeah, so it will be 4. See, 12 modulus 10 if you are doing, so we will get 2, right? But 122 modulus 10 you are doing, then also you will get 2 because it is 12 into 10 is 120. So every time remainder will be 1 to 9 only because you are dividing with 10, right? If you are dividing with 100, then that is different. But we want to extract each digit now. Right? So first logic is like we will find A mod 10, right? So this is 4. Right? Then we also need to have 1, 2, 3, right? Means we should type A equal to A by 10. Right? A by 10 means what? 123 divided by 10 will give
3.
No, 12, right? See, you
Yes.
gave
Yes.
1, now it is 1, 2, 3, 4 only. See, 4 we extracted Uma. Now I have to extract 3. For that I need to have 123. Right? So now my number will change into 123. So this will be 123, 1 by 4. So this will give 1, 2, 3. Right? Clear?
Yes.
But we also need to keep updating reverse, because finding 4, 3, 2, 1 is not going to solve, right? So what basically we have to do, let me delete these things. Right? Okay. So we know how to find last digit, and we know how to find uh, the number. Right? So the logic will be like this. So inside while loop, right, you are writing digit. Means we have to store whatever digit 2 you are getting, in one variable we have to store. So not here. What is happening? Okay. Inside while loop, take a variable digit. Okay. Digit equal to number mod 10. Right? Clear?
Yes.
Now we have taken this reverse variable, right? So in that rev, we will keep updating whatever digit we are getting. Okay. Rev equal to rev plus digit. Right? I'll tell you there is one twist here. Right? So here something else will come. You remember 12, I told it how 12 is coming. 12 is coming when you are writing
1, 2, 3.
1 into 10 plus 2. Correct? 22 is coming when you are writing. So this is a digit. Right? But 2, this is at unit place. Correct? This is a tens place. So whatever tens place you are getting, that will be multiplied by 10. Right? Correct? So if I'm getting the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got 4, right? So we'll get 4 first, right? And you will multiply with 10 here. Right? So first time what will happen? Reverse is having 0. 0 into 10 plus digit. Digit is having 4. So reverse will have 4. Right? So this is first line. This is second line. Right? And now my third line will be, right? I need to divide that number. A equal to A by 10. That number A equal to A by 10. Right? But in Python, um, we have to give double slash. I'll tell you why. Because this, if A by 2 you are giving, right? Suppose you have to giving 5 by 2. So this will give 2.5, something like that. Okay? So we have to have 2 lines here. This I'm telling it is not A by 10, it is A double slash 10. Okay? This is the logic, and then we will print. I'll trace this program. Okay? And then you print reverse. Okay. Let us do it. Suppose A has 1, 2, 3, 4. So in iteration 1, digit will have A mod 10, right? Means it will give 4. Right? Now reverse will have reverse star 10, right? So earlier reverse we have assigned reverse as 0. 0 star 10 plus 4. What will be the answer? 4. So reverse is having 4 now. Okay. Clear? So answer is 4. Right? Now we are dividing A equal to A double slash 10. Means in A 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So this will give 123. Now, so my number changed now, right? My number is, earlier it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Now number is 1, 2, 3 and reverse is 4. So this is the one which we will use, right? Now the logic is, right, while A is greater than 0. Right? The logic is while A is greater than 0. The moment A becomes 0, our loop will end. Right? So in first iteration, this is happening, right? Second iteration, what is A? 123. Is 123 greater than 0? Yes. So again, it will go inside while loop. Right? Now digit will have A mod 10. Right? A is having 123 now. Right? So 123 mod 10. This will give 3. Right? Now reverse, what is having in reverse? Reverse is having 4. Right? And reverse logic we have written reverse into 10 plus digit, correct? So now it will become, this is the logic we have written, reverse into 10 plus digit, right? What did I write? Yes, digit. Now reverse is having 4 into 10 plus 3. So now my number is 43. Right? So a part of number is being printed here in reverse. Right? Now I will do A equal to A by 10. So A was having 123. Right? If you're writing A equal to 123 double divisible by 10, this will give 12. Right? So in third iteration, FC, right? While A is greater than, same logic, A is greater than 0. Is 12 greater than 0? Yes. Right? So 12 is greater than 0. What will come in digit?
1, 2.
This will give 2. Your reverse will get updated. Earlier reverse was 43. Right? So this will be 43 into 10 plus 2. It is 430 plus 2, 432. Right? Clear? And A will be 12 by 10 now. 12 by 10 is double.
1.
Is 1. Right? Now again, while loop will be checked. Is 1 greater than 0? Yes. So fourth iteration will also happen. In fourth iteration, digit will be 1 mod 10. 1 mod 10 is 1. Clear? Reverse will have reverse into 10. So reverse is already having 432 plus digit 1, right? 4321, right? Now A will become 1 divisible by 10. This will give 0 now, right? So again while loop will run, right? It will go and check. Is 0 greater than 0? No, right? So your program will end here, right? And it will print reverse. So in reverse, what is that? 4321. So you will get 4321. Clear, guys? Anybody has any doubt? So whenever you are solving something, okay, you should know what are you doing, what logic it is doing, right? And then study. You will never forget these logics. Okay? How number system is formed, how are you calculating? Let us solve it. So my number is 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm going to do first, see whether for loop or while loop can be applied. For loop cannot be applied, right? Because you need to get each digit and then part of number, right? So in order to get the last digit, you will do modulus operator. So just write while num is greater than 0. This is your terminating condition. Colon. Okay? What I have to do? Take a digit is equal to num mod 10. Right? So this gives us last digit. Take another variable rev, assign it to 0. Even though you are not assigning, that Python will assign by default. Okay.
Why do please close the bracket?
Okay. So rev equal to rev into 10 plus 4 no digit. Then I have to find 1, 2, 3. Okay. How 1, 2, 3 will come? Num equal to num by 10. Okay. So my logic is done. I will print reverse here. Okay. Let's see. Suppose you're doing it here, single this. Okay. So it is giving some error. Okay. Infinite or something. I don't know. Okay. We'll see what is that. But is this logic clear, guys? Right?
Yes, Kedar.
Yes, Kedar.
Now, if we want to change this number, okay. Someone is telling something.
You said we are clear.
Acha, acha. Okay. Now I'm changing this program into to see whether the number is palindrome or not. Right? So until here it will go, right? I will check whether number and reverse are equal, right? But not inside while loop, outside while. Okay. So now we are checking if num equal to reverse, right? Print given number is a palindrome, right? Else not palindrome. Okay? Now I'm just changing it to num1. Don't assign it here. Num1. Num. Okay. Because we already took num here, so we have to give different name. Same logic, only I'm checking whether num1 and reverse are equal or not. Okay? So not a palindrome. Okay? Suppose just change it to 2, 2, 2, 2. Right? Should be a palindrome. Not palindrome. It's correct only. Num1 is 2, 2, 2.
Do we need to change rev value also to new variable? Will it have the old value or new one?
I think we should not. Which
On the top also we have to change.
yeah. Wait, I'm asking a ChatGPT what is wrong. I can't figure it out.
Do we have to change the data type?
No. Okay. Num. Oh, okay. So what happened is like finally num1 is having only 0, no? Now it's calculating this 0 is equal to rev1. Here we ran the while loop. So final age of 0. Now I'm comparing this with this. So what it is telling is like you don't compare this with this. What you have to do is like okay. So let's assume number equal to this much and num1 equal to number. And then we have to play around. Okay. So I'm taking a temporary variable here, and we should be doing the manipulation on number. I think now it should work.
Again, is it comparing rev1 to be 0 when it comes off of the while loop?
No, but rev1 is a global variable, so it should ideally have what is correct. Oh. One minute, guys. Oh, yes. Message. We did not change number, right? That's one. That's one. Oh, printing. We are wrong actually. It's printing palindrome only. Correct? Not palindrome. Okay, so it's working fine. I think we didn't see the output properly. The given number is a palindrome. What's coming for 2 to 2 also. So, any doubt, guys?
No, Kelvin.
So this is how you should learn practice and all. Try to complete everything by yourself. You're getting some error or something, then go to Google or some GPT and try. I'll be posting some of the practice questions, guys. If no other questions, we'll stop it here and let's meet on next week.
Kedar, Krista here.
Yeah,
So for the assignment questions, could you please add for loop, while loop, and if else questions also?
yeah, I'll be adding.
Even range also yesterday, which you have covered.
Okay, yeah, highlight.
Yeah, thanks, Kedar.
So whatever we covered yesterday and today, so it will be the combination of both, so that you will
Oh.
get chance. But please practice, guys. Okay, I know you all are busy, but take some time and you will get some error here and there. Ping me or ask Google. Okay, but let us move forward. The
Yeah,
reason,
thanks.
like,
Yeah, thanks.
yeah. Anyone else? Any questions, guys?
Okay, that thank you.
Thank you, team. I'm stopping the recording.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Kedar.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kedar. Take care.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye bye.